Of a problem there. Kevin 911 having his first outing with us here on the short oval at Newton Abbot. Also in trouble we have 890 there, Pete Rice. Phil Morgan 310 and Ivor Collins 505. Benny Sebel out of the car, but the car on fire. The race obviously being stopped and the fire being extinguished very rapidly there. Well done to Simon Gandy, track marshal, getting that fire rapidly out. Moving up there and joining and challenging along with car number 33. That slows them down a bit. Gary Elliott getting out of that one. Car 518, hanging on to that place. 33, Pete Wellington, he's going down as well. But at the front, lots of problems. 33, Pete Wellington third. Then Chris Cockle, 4970 in fourth place. Richard Beer, 254 is fifth. Dave Cook is sixth, that's car number 51. Jim Cocker, 702 in sixth place. And Philip Williams in trouble now, being rolled on the roof. Right here at the start-finish line. And Philip there on his roof, so the car being stopped. In actual fact, they had completed enough laps to deem the race to be over, although not the full 18. They had gone through three-quarter distance, so the result will be as they went over the line on the previous lap. Philip Morgan takes it up now. Philip Morgan, 001, takes over race lead position from 701. Will Trezar's 33, and that's Pete Wellington. Then it's 100, and that's Philip Williams. 52 is Sam Sloman. Now we have Walter's Eyes there on the straight defence, car 701. Harry Hartnett in third place now, 539. Brian Sargent in source of trouble, 662. And problems there, Roy Goodman 800, Bill Batten 167. And we have also Gary Sanson there, 652. Phil Thompson, 701. .186 Leon Facey, 254 Richard Gere. That's the way I read it. Could be all wrong. That we'll find out at the termination. And whack, in we go. Whoops, that's the wrong way around. Leon Facey there. And they're all doing it wrong, and the race being ground to a halt. Obvious reasons. Well, in fact, it's all over. Stuart Hollick, car 903. Then we have Danny Camp now, 938, moving up there from 940 and in trouble. But getting it back again. But does he gets caught up with Richard Dawson? That takes the pair of them out. Allows Danny Hunt, 982, to move up in the lead. And we have a roller there, and that's Sarah Trant, 951. Sarah rolling over, and the red flag stopping the race. And 114, Nick Cordier. John Balance is on the inside, but Neil Butt still hanging on to the lead there, but this time he gets spun. Out he goes, and up goes Philip Williams, and rolls, in fact. Neil Butt there rolling onto the roof, as up goes 100. Philip Williams to take it up from 114. Nick Cordier now in second place. 001, Phil Morgan rather, running third from 33. In fourth place, that's Pete Wellington. 38 is Keith White. Ryan Bradford, 200, race leader from Richard Beer, closing up the challenge, which he does successfully, and takes it over. And we have a roller here at the pit gate. So the race being stopped. Bit of a precarious position there when they come hurtling through that final bend. John Marquand is 89. Phil Morgan, 001. Keith White, car number 38. Bill Gregory, car 6.